Welcome back. We're going to be working on some more tossing and catching, some more hand-eye coordination skills. We're going to start off easy again just to get you warmed up and back into it. So we'll start with our single hand toss. Pick a hand to start with. Put the other hand behind your back. And we're just going to start tossing and catching. Nice and easy. Remembering to track it with your eyes and to control the force so that you don't have to go anywhere to catch it. You should not have to leave your spot. Three, two, one. Switch hands. Put that first hand behind your back. Tossing and catching. Tracking with your eyes. Three, two, one. Stop. Beanbag in your hands. Now we're going to go to the rainbow tossing from one hand to the other. So make sure that you're watching it as it goes, especially as it starts to get a little higher. That way you are more successful catching it. Go ahead. Nice job. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Beanbag in your hands. Now we're going to make it a little bit harder. Now that you've warmed up a little bit, you're going to toss it from your palms. You're going to toss it up, but then you're going to catch it overhand with your palm side down and the back of your hand up. Okay, so tossing, catching, same hand. Toss underhand, catch overhand. Toss underhand, catch overhand. You're kind of clawing it out of the air. Toss, catch. Under, over. Under, over. Keep practicing. Three, 2, 1. Switch sides. So you're changing hands, putting the first arm behind your back so that you can focus. Tossing under, catching over. Tossing under, catching over. Three, 2, 1, stop. Beanbag quiet in your hands. Now we're going to do the opposite of what we've just done. So now you're going to start it overhand, you're going to toss it up, and you're going to catch it underhand. So back of your hand is facing the ceiling, toss it, turn your hand over and catch it. Toss, turn, catch. Overhand, catch, underhand. Toss over, catch under. Toss over, catch under. Keep going. Three, 2, 1. Switch sides. So remember, putting the other hand behind your back, starting with your palm down and the back of your hand facing up. Toss over, catch under. Toss over, catch under. Working those skills, making your brain work. Three, 2, 1, stop. Now, You're gonna toss it under, catch it over, toss it over, catch it under. Still same hand. So we're working both of the skills that we had just practiced. Okay? Toss under, catch over, toss over, catch under. Under, over, over, under. Keep going. Remember to follow it with your eyes. Three, two, one. Change hands. Put your first hand behind your back. Toss under, catch over, toss over, catch under. Three, two, one, stop. Beanbag in your hands. Now, you're gonna toss it and try to catch it on the back of your hand. So toss it, catch it on the back of your hand. You can try to catch it back the other way as well. Toss it, catch it on the back of your hand, toss it, catch it in your palm. Toss it, catch it on the back of your hand, catch it on your palm. Back of your hand on your palm. Three, two, one, switch hands. Same thing. Toss on one side of your hand, catch on the opposite side. Keeping it flat like a pancake will definitely help. Three, two, one, stop. Holding it quiet in your hands. Now we're gonna try something extra tricky. You're gonna start the beanbag behind you. You're gonna toss it up, so it should come over your shoulder. You wanna catch it in front of you. Now you can't just toss it, because then you're gonna be chasing it. So try to toss it straight up, and then you'd be able to catch it a little better. So toss it up, and then you can catch it. Toss it up, then you can catch it. Give it a shot. Make sure you give both hands a try. Three, two, one, stop. We've done back to front. Now let's try tossing from the front and catching it behind you. Okay, so you have to pay attention to where it is in space because you can't see it all the way behind you. So you kind of have to guesstimate. So you have to figure out where it might be to try to catch it. Okay? Three, two, one, stop. Beanbag still. Now you're going to try to catch on a different part of your body. You can catch it on your head, you can catch it on your shoulder, on your belly, on your thigh, on your foot, on your arm. Where would you like to catch it? Give it a try. Be as silly as you want with it. Just stay in your space. So control where you're tossing so you can stay in your space. Three, two, one, stop. Now you've got a chance to catch and toss any way you want, as long as you can stay in your spot. I dropped mine. I've got to get it. Excuse me. There we go. I've got to be more controlled with my catches and tosses too. So now you can toss and catch any way you want, as long as you really try hard to stay in your spot. If you want to work on the behind the back, under the leg, with a spin, however you want to toss and catch. I'll give you a few seconds to try that. Go ahead. Three, two, one, stop. Beanbag quiet in your hands. Great job. I hope you picked up a new skill today. If not, I hope you strengthened a hand-eye coordination skill that you already had. Great job.